Welcome back, great people. Did the cookies you accepted on every click occupy your storage space? Check out this video to learn the best free cookie removal software for Windows and Mac. Let's begin. The first on the list is Macube Cleaner. It is a standout choice for free cookie removal software on Mac, offering a comprehensive feature set for system optimization. Its smart algorithms go beyond cookie management, offering an advanced privacy protector to enhance browsing privacy by clearing sensitive data. To clear cookies from your Mac using Macube Cleaner, start by launching the app and selecting the privacy feature on the left side. Initiate a scan by clicking on the Scan button, allowing Macube Cleaner to thoroughly examine all installed browsers. After the scan, choose the specific browser and select the relevant data types you want to remove. Finally, click the Clean button at the bottom of the screen to instantly clear cookies and the selected browsing data, optimizing your Mac's privacy and performance. Macube Cleaner also includes an app uninstaller, file shredder for secure file deletion, duplicate file finder, and more to improve overall system performance. With a seamlessly integrated user interface, it caters to users of all experience levels and offers a 7-day free trial. Number 2 is Fortect, a Windows-compatible cookie removal software that stands out for its robust features and efficient browsing optimization. The tool excels in advanced cookie removal, eliminates unwanted files, and optimizes folders, disks, and hard drives for an enhanced user experience. With comprehensive diagnostic and scan reports, users can identify and address system vulnerabilities. The customizable browser cleanup contributes to a faster response from all applications and processes. However, it has limited access to advanced functionalities. At number 3 is CCleaner. It is a prominent player in computer optimization, offering effective cookie removal features alongside its primary system cleaning functions. CCleaner includes key features such as a registry cleaner for error correction, tool management facilitating program uninstallation, and startup program editing. It also provides a browser cleanup tool that removes cookies, trackers, and internet history for comprehensive system optimization. Finally, in the 4th spot is Macleaner Pro. It stands out as a top-tier free cookie removal solution for Mac users, featuring a user-friendly interface. Besides cookie management in web browsers like Safari and Chrome, it offers built-in app cleaning and uninstallation features. The software excels in disk cleanup, duplicate file removal, and app management, contributing to efficient Mac space utilization. While it supports multiple languages and provides a free trial version for exploration, it lacks privacy protection tools and the capability to securely delete files on Mac. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Macube Cleaner. Stay in touch with us to get more updates on cookie cleanup.